So let's start by talking about why would you even want to borrow against your Bitcoin in the first place. So the big picture of this overarching buy, borrow, die strategy that we've been talking about a lot on this channel is that when you reach financial independence, instead of selling off 4% of your assets per year, so that you can fund your lifestyle, you can instead borrow against your assets in a way that, one, does not create a taxable income event, and two, allows you to retain the benefit of the asset's appreciation over time, not selling it, essentially. So how it works is you buy the asset. Traditionally, it's been reserved for the uber wealthy, where they leverage real estate, so they'll buy a big piece of real estate. Could be equity, ETFs, could be Bitcoin, obviously. Then you borrow against the capital appreciation of your asset, which is a non-taxable event. And then the die step is where the loan steps up, and then your heirs can sell the asset tax-free. So that's an overarching view of how Bitcoin, the buy, borrow, die strategy works. So when is it a good idea to execute this strategy, financially speaking? So let's define which investment phase you might be in. There are two. One is the capital growth phase, and this is where you're focusing on increasing your net worth. You're growing your overall nest egg. You're harnessing Bitcoin's compound annual growth rate. Then once you reach your financial independence retire early number, maybe that's 500,000, a million, 5 million, 10 million, then you can use part of your asset pile to start generating income for you while preserving your net worth and even growing your net worth. And then you can use, with this strategy, Bitcoin as the nuclear reactor for that. The vast majority of you guys that are, following my channel and are interested in this strategy are probably still in the capital growth phase. So the strategy may not make sense for you at this moment, but you may be very close to it making sense for you. So this is what your allocations look like in each one of those phases. Typically, when you're in the capital growth phase, and with my clientele, I'm usually talking to people that with at least a $500,000 net worth, all the way up to 12, 15 million, are some of my higher net worth clients. But 95% of your assets are going to be in growth assets. So that could be on-chain Bitcoin, that could be IBIT, that could be other ETFs, other index funds, and then 5% of your wealth could be for preservation. That could be gold, silver, it could be bonds. When you finally reach your FIRE number, let's say that for example, that's $1 million, you'll want your portfolio to look a little bit more like this, because you're moving into the income generation phase. You've got your preservation, obviously we talked about that. You've still got almost half in growth, but then you want to switch almost half of your income of your assets into income producing assets. So this could be dividend yielding assets like Stretch or BTCI, and it also can be Bitcoin backed loans. Although there are exceptions, this scenario is usually when buy, borrow, die makes the most sense. So I wanted to have that as sort of a precursor to this guide. So the question is, for you guys, which phase are you currently in? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always interested to see where the vast majority of my client or my audience is. Now, we all want to own more Bitcoin, but most of us aren't sitting on piles of idle cash. That's where Horizon comes in. Horizon lets homeowners convert a portion of their home equity into Bitcoin so they can diversify into an asset with stronger long-term growth potential. What makes Horizon stand out is its flexibility. There are no monthly payments, no interest charges, and no fixed term limit. You stay in your home, you stay in control. And the Bitcoin you buy is fully yours to hold in custody however you choose. This means no margin calls, no forced selling, and no scenario where Bitcoin volatility puts your home at risk. If you believe that Bitcoin will outperform your home's growth over the long term, Horizon gives you a way to act on it using capital you already have. Horizon has already helped hundreds of homeowners put their equity to work in Bitcoin, and they'd love to help you as well. Visit joinhorizon.com using this QR code or the link in the video description. You can see how it works and estimate how much Bitcoin you can unlock in just 90 seconds. Transform your home equity into Bitcoin today with Horizon.